Addison, I said to stop. What scared me? I'm not saying it.
What is up, UOC crew, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. As you can tell from the title, today we are unboxing slime. So Addison and Sydney are gonna present to you their slime experiment that they got for their birthday, and they are super excited about it. Me, on the other hand, if you know anything about my house, you know there are two things that I ban. The first is glitter. It just gets on everything. And the second used to be Play-Doh, but I think Play-Doh's kind of been out lately, so I changed it to slime. So I'm a little nervous, but they got this great gift from Kaylee's godmom for their birthday, and we are excited to show it to you. So here we go. Whoa! All right, you got the instructions. What do the instructions say?
We don't know how to read, Mommy.
Oh yeah, that's right. Listen to all of them first, and then we'll figure out which one we want to make, okay?
Okay.
Bubblegum butter slime, mermaid marshmallow fluff, seafoam crunch, mermaid dreams, mermaid rainbow swirl slime, under the sea glowing slime, mermaid jello cube go. That's it. Or
Okay,
clear.
bubblegum.
Or clear, but that sounds
Bubblegum.
boring. Okay, you voted for bubblegum.
What else? Again? What was the last one again?
The last one, the one that you said. That one? Under the sea glowing slime?
Yes. But we don't have a seed.
Yeah, that's just the name of it.
Yeah. So it can glow?
Yeah, I think it's glow in the dark, probably.
Oh yeah, Mom, I get that. One.
Okay, the first part says, measure out 30 milliliters of glue and pour it into your mixing bowl. So what does the number 30 look like?
30.
Tell me what the number 30 looks like.
A 5 in a 1 and a 5.
What number is that, 1 and 5? 15. Right, what number did I say? 30. 5 makes 50 makes 50.
Mean a
Yeah.
3.
A 3 and what after?
A 0.
It makes 30. Okay, so we're gonna fill up to this line right here for the first batch. We'll make
Okay,
another
and
one.
then you need to move. I can't see when you do that.
Okay. Let's see. Slowly, slowly. We're almost there. We're almost there. Stop.
Stop. So what am I do?
We're gonna put it into the bowl. All right, let's read the next instruction while Sydney's scraping that out. Next, add 1 level spoonful of the glow in. Be very careful. Okay, dump it in. Shake, shake, shake. Dump it all the way in.
Mommy, can I do it? Can I get my toilet?
Yes. Okay, you stir. All mixed up. Do we want to add a little bit of glitter?
Yes, yes. It smells like plastic. What does it smell? Yeah, too. And put it in milk.
Oh, that 1 scoop is probably enough. Let's see. Dump it in, and let Addison mix it up, and let's see how it is, because that was kind of a full scoop. Okay, we gotta hold it. We gotta stir it for 30 seconds. Okay, count to 30, girls.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
All right, good job. We can stop there. So it says 30.
That's it.
Yeah, hold on just a second. It's still kind of sticky right now.
Yeah, it's supposed to be sticky,
Listen,
Mommy.
roll your sleeves up before you touch it. Roll your sleeves up.
Oh, my Shivaka, I want to touch it too.
Yeah, you will. Knead it really well in your hands. Knead the slime between your fingers and thumbs to push all the air bubbles and tightness out of the slime. And then stretch and fold it. Okay, not in between your fingers, just, okay, now put it back together. Just stretch it and put it back together. Okay, try and get all of the stuff off your fingers. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, what are you doing? Why is it all over everything? Keep it in your hands. Oh my gosh, this is disgusting. This can't be how this is supposed to be. Yes, I followed the instructions. Stop dropping it on the table, Addison. We misunderstood the assignment here. Like, I don't understand why it's all over the place. This is why Mommy doesn't buy you slime.
Too much water or something.
We didn't use too much of anything.
It's so hard to get it off.
Oh, yeah, I know. We need some troubleshooting steps.
Maybe I don't want my hands. How's your secret to finding slime project again?
We're trying to do the slime again. So we got our big,
Bowl out.
we got our bowl out. First, we have to follow the instructions. And the instructions always start with what first?
Blue.
Okay, but now you gotta be careful not to go too fast.
Oh.
Dump it, dump it, dump it. 10 drops here, Sydney.
10.
10, yeah. Do it slowly. Let me get it started.
1.
Here you go. 2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mine, can I draw it?
Yes. We get to pick a glitter color. Addison, which glitter color do you pick? We're just gonna put a little dash of glitter. Holes in the top. Just give it a little shake. Just a little. Okay, good. Stop. Mix a little bit, and then you'll let Addison mix a little bit.
It'll be so big, it
I
will
need
put
to get
more
it
fire.
different.
Dump it in.
Yeah, dump it in. Dump all of it in. Shake it upside down. All the way in. Okay, Addison.
Mommy, and
We're supposed to mix for 30 seconds. So y'all count to 30.
one time.
Yes, just one time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Mom, you got it. What is it? Mom, let's test it.
That looks a lot better than it did last time.
It's fuzzy.
You feel like it's
Mom,
still
test
sticky? Or is it like slime?
It's like fun. Oh, Mommy, can you? Oh, no, yeah, me too. Yes, sir. Okay, my side. I didn't do it yet. Let me just glitter on my hand now.
Okay, I think that's much better. Like that.
Oh, yeah, one said that.
Yeah, but it said just to go, like, squeeze it like... Oh, I think it's still too sticky. Let me put a couple more drops.
Can I put salt in it?
Oh, gosh.
1, 2, 3.
Maybe 2 more drops.
In the slime dough.
1, 2.
My sword didn't make it not sticky, oh.
Yeah, it's not supposed to stick to you so much.
Right, but this I'm making one in a ball. Is that good?
I'm not really sure what it's supposed to be like.
It looks like this. That's good.
Alright, let's try to make
A
the purple kind.
Listen, I said to stop. You scared me. I'm not saying it. That. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Just do one
9, 10.
Okay, let's get top of it. Yeah, a little more in there so it can be a little more sparkly. Hold it flat. Okay, now count for 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Just try it out.
9, 10. Still a little bit sticky.
Give you a couple.
Hey, still a little bit sticky.
Where's the ball?
It would always break when my faucet too young.
Oh my goodness. Let me see you try and stretch yours, Addison.
Fourth one we did was bad, but a second one not sticky. Mom, look at this.
Oh, yeah.
It's going wet. Wow, really?
Good job, girls.
Ooh, it's freezing.
All right, girls. So what do you think of the kit?
Good.
Was it fun?
Yeah, but I don't think we're done yet.
Oh, we're not done. We have to try more colors, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it. That was our slime experiment. We did it. We survived slime. The kit is actually pretty fun. I think because the portions or sizes are small that you really have to be precise on the measurements, which for a 6-year-old might be a little bit challenging. So that might have been our mistake in the first one. But overall, we had a really good time. If you like this video and you want to see more, please consider subscribing and turn on your notifications. We will be back every single day for Vlogmas 2021 with a new video. So we hope to see you soon.
How do you speak?
Hold on, just a second.
How you do this? How
Hold on. Okay. I had to push record first.